let's look at this. It says find beta. This angle is 90 degrees because of this. It means it's a right angle triangle. We can apply trigonometry ratio. The next thing we need to ask ourselves, what angle is this? This angle is B faced by this line. It means that this is opposite to the angle. This is the longest line because it is facing 90 degrees. So this is what the hypotenuse. So you can see I am writing out the known angles. I am not interested in this unknown because nothing is written on this line. Definitely this is adjacent. The next thing now is, what is opposite versus hypotenuse? Opposite over hypotenuse is sine. It means sine beta is equals to 9/20. Okay? Let's divide this. This will give us 0.45. That is sine beta. Now, I want to show you how to find beta because as you can see, beta and sine, they are together. So beta want to remain alone, but sine is here. So we need to remove sine by saying divide by sine on this side so that sine can go. Because you divide this side by sine, you have to also divide this other side by sine. So what is the meaning of this now? This can also be expressed as 1/sine multiplied by 0.45. Okay, I don't want to jump to inverse of sine. I'm just trying to show you how we arrive at that. What is the meaning of this in indices? In indices, to have anything like this, you can also write it like this. So I can write this now as sine raised to power -1. That is inverse of sine. Still, then I put this times here, 0.45. Mathematically, we don't write it like this. I'm just trying to show you how we come about this. So I am going to wipe all this out now. Then use the professional way of representing this. So if you get to this point, simply say beta, you can stay. You go to this side. Why it is going to this other side becomes inverse of 0.45. So we need to find this in our calculator, the inverse of 0.45. Inverse sine of 0.45. That is 26.57 in degree. So this is the value for beta. Okay?